Welcome back to Ctube's channel. In this video, we'll make a comparison between two common PVC rigid conduits, PVC DB2 conduits and PVC Schedule 40 conduits. Designed for underground installation, DB2 is suitable for direct barrier and encasement in concrete or masonry. Schedule 40 conduit is an optional choice for underground installation, but it stands out for its versatility. It can be used effectively both above-ground and underground. DB2 is certified to CSA C22.2, number 211.1, focusing on underground environments. In contrast, Schedule 40 is certified to UL651, covering a broader range of general applications. When it comes to tensile strength, DB2 conduit has a typical rating of about 4,800 psi, while Schedule 40 conduit offers a higher tensile strength, some up to 5,000 psi. In terms of wall thickness, for instance, Ctube's 2-inch Schedule 40 conduit has a wall thickness of 3.91 mm, while the same size DB2 conduit has a wall thickness of 2.02 mm. In terms of cost, Schedule 40 conduit tends to be more expensive due to its enhanced durability and strength, while DB2 conduit offers a cost-effective solutions for many projects. Ctube's DB2 and Schedule 40 conduit both comply with the relevant certifications and tests. DB2 conduits offer sizes from 2 inches to 6 inches. Schedule 40 conduit offers sizes from half to 8 inches. Standard lengths are 10 feet or 20 feet with a belt end or not. Also accept customization. When choosing between DB2 and Schedule 40, consider the specific requirements of your projects. That's all we share today. Thank you for watching. For more information, follow our channel.